Almost any task we perform carries some risk of failure or injury. How do we determine we're performing a task in the safest way possible? With some jobs, it's a simple answer. We wear the proper protective equipment like a hard hat or a fall-arresting harness. Other tasks may require us to think about all predictable and potential hazards, meaning we have to expect the unexpected. Risk assessment is the process where we identify hazards, see if they're likely to occur, and what the outcome will be if they do occur. Each element is assigned a value. The higher the value, the greater the chance of severe injury or loss of life or property, establishing an immediate need for corrective action. We can reduce risk by putting controls in place that lower accident probability, and in some cases will even reduce the severity of an accident if it occurs. Additional measures can be written into the process to ensure we take adequate steps to minimize risk. As we saw earlier, a risk matrix can be used. A flow chart can also help determine the steps required to adequately assess the risk for a given task. First, work is divided into groups such as navigation, cargo operations, deck operations, and engineering. Once the activity has been placed into a group, our next step is to identify all potential hazards. The following 3 questions. Is there a source of harm? Who or what could be harmed? And how could harm occur? Are useful to identify hazards.